Laces tight, door swinging wide, coffee steam, sunlight in my eyes, sidewalk chalk in a sleepy town, breath of air, I'm already calm. Sunshine on my shoulders, blue sky wide, white clouds drifting, nothing on my mind, cool breeze pushing at my back, I fly, perfect day to hit the trail and try to walk it out, to run it out, to feel alive. Gravel crunch, rhythm in my feet, shadow of a bird races down the street, sweat on my neck, but the air feels kind, every steady step clears another line. Sunshine on my shoulders, blue sky wide, white clouds drifting, nothing on my mind, cool breeze pushing at my back, I fly, perfect day to hit the trail and try to walk it out, to run it out, to feel alive. Past strangers, shared small grin, both of us just breathing in, heartbeats echo through the trees, every worry falls like leaves. Sunshine on my shoulders, blue sky wide, white clouds drifting, nothing on my mind, cool breeze pushing at my back, I fly, perfect day to hit the trail and try to walk it out, to run it out, to feel alive. So alive, so alive. Sunrise glow, walking Bubu, running and walking on Jeffrey Trail today. A beautiful day, full of sunshine and blue sky. Wow, this weather! Jeffrey Open Space Trail is about a 5-mile paved trail through parkland for walking, jogging, and cycling, step by step and mile by mile. Walking Bubu wears a smile. Best city trail in Orange County, Southern California. It is well made for everyone. One of the best part is it is in the city. You can have lunch and hit the trail right after. No need to drive far. Clean paths, shady trees, wide roads, dry creeks, picnic area, history and free parking. You name it, Jeffrey Trail got it covered. Any time of day is always a good time to hit this trail. Jeffrey Trail feels just right. Friendly smiles from every corner, makes you wanna come again. Walking Bubu approved. This Jeffrey Open Space Trail. Walk, walk happy, walk Jeffrey Trail.
by the door, sun on the floor. Map on the fridge, but I've been here before. 5 miles of stories in a straight little line. Orange County morning, yeah, it's all mine. Walking Bubu on Jeffrey Trail. Every step a little postcard tale. Clean air, wide road, shade on my face. Got the whole damn city in this one place. Walking Bubu on Jeffrey Trail. Any time of day I just set sail. History in the dirt, new dreams in my stride. Jeffrey's got it covered when I need a ride. Kids on bikes, old friends on a stroll. Joggers with playlists chasing their goals. Signs on the side talk about the past. Direct while I'm breathing, but I'm moving fast. Walking Bubu on Jeffrey Trail. Every step a little postcard tale. Clean air, wide road, shade on my face. Got the whole damn city in this one place. Walking Bubu on Jeffrey Trail. Any time of day I just set sail. History in the dirt, new dreams in my stride. Jeffrey's got it covered when I need a ride. From morning glow to sunset gold. Oh yeah, every age, every story told. If you ask me where my heart runs free, I'll say meet me there, come walk with me. Walking Bubu on Jeffrey Trail. Every step a little postcard tale. Clean air, wide road, shade on my face. Got the whole damn city in this one place. Walking Bubu on Jeffrey Trail. Any time of day I just set sail. History in the dirt, new dreams in my stride. Jeffrey's got it covered, yeah, it's on my side.